What's going on, everybody? Rob here, aka Trev2323. Yes, I'm about to look like a meathead. I'm gonna be mopping the solar panels. If we go up here right now and look at them, they are completely filthy. Look at this. So what I'm gonna do is mop the solar panels to get all this. Look at that's how filthy they are from the snow. I gotta get these done and the ones on the other side of the roof done. This is why my solar panels are on my garage and not on my roof. I'm putting 4 more or 2 more on the garage, but just with that little whoa. Beautiful. You're getting reflections again, everything. They'll go ahead and dry, but see how I can't put 2 right there or 1 right there, 1 right there. So I am gonna put them on the side. I'm gonna get 2 good screws into right here, and on the other side I'm gonna put pieces of bracket metal to hold them up on the other side, so I can put 2, 1 there and 1 there. And so those will be 48. There'll be 48 volts. These are 235 watts each, so that's like 470 watts for these. Another 4 will be 470. Those are 400 watts. I got 2 more of these on the other side, you know, so I'm probably gonna move the ones from the other side this way. Really what I would like to do is, I got dead space right here. I got 7 feet of dead space between there, so I would actually like to get a bigger carport, but a wood carport. I'm thinking about making it myself, from right here to above the garage right over here. You know, so I'll put a gutter right here to go out, then the carport from here straight above the garage, and do the whole panel with carports, and that'll be enough power for my, you know, my house all during the day. My goal this summer is to get another 2 of those right there, 1 on each side, and then I have 2 on the other side. I'm gonna bring them to this side because majority of the sun is this way. My wife says I can't put any on her carport, but there's another 4 that could go on a carport. And now the panels are updated where you can get like 450 watts per panel. So we got window units in this house. We haven't gone with the split system, which I'm going to, but I want to have my air conditioner go off of the sun this summer.